fasting beast. You need to chase these three things to accomplish fulfillment in life. As a man, you need to accomplish fulfillment in life. So you need to chase these three things. You need to chase hard. You need to chase difficulty, and you need to chase challenge. You need to do today what other men don't want to do. So tomorrow you can do what other men cannot do. So and that's why I say you need to get in the best shape of your life. You need to start building muscle. And it's not just about the body. I want to live a better quality life. So when I get older, I still want to be flexible. I still want to be able to go to the gym and do stuff and then do not get tired. That is the goal. The goal is not to get muscles and get a body. The goal is to lead a better life, a better quality life. I am the fasting beast.